So after 3 days have passed, no, I'm lying. It's only a few hours. Um, I'm going to. I had a hard time installing the pedal. This one, rotation bar. So I'm going to go ahead and install the computer right now. Here, this one, and two here. It might. This probably the reason why I could not rotate the rod rotation bar. Anyway, to install this, see, there is a battery that you can put here, and there's a battery included with this item. So you're gonna have to install this, and just pay attention to the negative and positive sign. There's really an instruction there, so we'll see if I'm able to make that rod works. The tension control knob, and after this installation with the battery, so we'll see. So positive, I'm sure you know how to install battery, right? There's a positive and negative, and there's a guide that you can follow. So I have this actually not for you, for me, because I'm not that smart when it comes to this. So that I don't need a guy to install my stuff, the hard stuff. I know there's a few handy women there, but I want to be one of them. In America, it's just so difficult to find, or the labor is too expensive when you hire somebody to install your furnitures. And I've installed a few furniture, so I'm a little handy girl now. Well, that's what I thought, but I think the more I do this, the more I get better. So there's a negative sign, and then so that means you're gonna have to, when I install this, there's a negative sign to put in a battery. So this one, install is to your computer. And the positive sign here, there's two, and close them. Let's see, I know how you close it, but I'm not so sure because a lot of women and whoever is they don't want to even try to do it themselves. So that's why I'm just particular that it's actually easier than we thought. It's not that as long as you know how to follow instructions. See, ooh, it works. Look at that, it works. So if you notice, you need to connect that to the bike. So I'm gonna have to install this later on, or set up there's a distance. See, that's easy to I think this is automatic actually. So your distance, your time, and your calorie and speed. So oh my god, I can't believe I did this. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to be dependent anymore with anybody. It's difficult, it's expensive. And guys, if you do it themselves for us, they want something in return. Okay, I'll connect this and see what happens. This two, this one, this, I don't know how to show this, connector with this. Let's see. And you can tell there is this area which you need to connect in here. See? You can figure out. You're a big girl. Let me see. Oh, so it's good. So you just have to connect it from there, and then we'll see what happens. So now I'm connecting this too to see if it works. There was a time when men were kind. Oh, I need to figure it out. Oh dear. Just a little difficult because you have to, there's like a certain instruction we need to put this little connectors. I can't hold and do it at the same time, so time off.